Hey, we're going to look at the warm-up here for our difference quotient notes. This was the same exit ticket that we saw the last time I was there in class. So let's go ahead and dive in. We want to know the domain of the function f of x equals the square root of x minus 8 over the natural log of x. So right here in the denominator, we know that the natural log of x needs to be greater than 0. You can't take the natural log of a negative number. You can't take the natural log of 0. So I'm sorry, I apologize for that. For the natural log of x, we have to have that x is greater than 0. So that's one restriction right off the bat. The other thing we see is the square root of x minus 8. So we know for the square root of x minus 8, this implies that x minus 8 needs to be greater than or equal to 0, because we can't take the square root of negative. If we add 8 to both sides here, this in turn gives us that x needs to be greater than or equal to 8. This actually really trumps that. So this says x has to be greater than 0, but this is, wait a minute, x needs to be bigger than 8, or at least greater than or equal to. So your domain for this problem is actually going to be at 8, and we can include 8 because the numerator can be 0, all the way to infinity.